recipe I have is by tasting, so you already know it's gonna be delicious. The first step is to make a crust. Flour, my mom keeps it in a Marshall's bag. Don't judge her. She likes to be clean. I also bought my mom this handheld food processor that she hasn't used at all. So, Mom, I'm gonna use it. This is my gift now. First, we're gonna add flour, sugar, and salt to the food processor with an S-blade. This is not going to mix well, is it? This is more meant for chopping, so I'm gonna not do that right now. We can use this another day. The only other processor I have is a blender, so if I'm not invited to the next shindig because of my cooking methods, I'll find a new mom group. Okay, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, spooned and leveled. I feel like this is already gonna go wrong. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of, we're adding salt if you can't tell. I'm just a little salty about it still. 1/4 cup of vegan butter, cold. 1/4 cup of vegetable shortening, cold. I don't know about you, but I had to look up what vegetable shortening was. Turns out it's literally coconut oil. Why are there so many names for cooking ingredients? Just call it what it is. 4th cup, 4th cup. Yep. There. 3 to 4 tablespoons of ice water. 2, 3. Okay, I didn't measure that at all because I'm a professional and I don't need measurements. And I think just blend this. Oh no, you're supposed to combine the dry ingredients first. Never mind. You know what? It's fine. Oh shoot, I'm so bad at this. Don't follow my instructions at all. I completely did this wrong. It's supposed to be dry ingredients mixed together, then the butter, and then add water. Not everything in the... Too late. Too late? How bad could it be? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it could be very bad. Oh no, please, cut the footage. Cut the footage. It's fine. Aha, that's why. I needed much more water. Maybe the handheld was better the first time. Process for about 10 seconds until it's a coarse meal. When it begins to clump together, stop. Dump the dough on a lightly floured surface and shape it into a ball. Don't use your hands too much, it might warm up the dough. It's already pretty warm because I'm using a blender. I'm gonna put a little bit more ice water in it. I'm also gonna follow the directions from now on. That's not what it's supposed to be. That's not what it's supposed to look like. I needed coarse. That's not coarse. That's not coarse. That's not coarse. You know what? I'm a professional and I can figure this out. Okay, lightly floured surface. Don't do this at home, by the way. This is very risky what I'm doing. Coarse. Coarse dough. You might have missed the mark, guys. Oh my god, I just wanted something to go right for once. Why didn't I follow the directions? Why am I so bad at listening? That's not coarse! Maybe if I... No. Oh no, ma'am. This is not gonna solve it at all. It's not supposed to be wet. That's the main problem here. We need about this much more flour. Oh, what am I doing? I'm making it worse. I'm making it worse. I'm making it worse, Frederick. Stop it. Just stop now. And I call myself a baker. Not that sticky anymore, but it's also pretty warm. Maybe I can fix this by putting it in the fridge while I'm making the filling. Wrap it in a ball. I'm gonna take some saran wrap. Actually, I'm too lazy. I'm putting it in a Ziploc bag and I'm putting it in the freezer. It's supposed to be flaky and light, and it's not flaky and light. This is gonna suck if you can't tell. Oh, it's so bad. It did say put it in plastic wrap and chill it for an hour, so that's my saving grace. Peel and core apples and thinly slice. Also, I had a large bowl for this, but my mom's using it right now. 7 green apples, the zest of 1 lemon, and lemon juice of half a lemon, and then all of this stuff. These apples are kind of small, so I'm gonna use 8 just in case. Peel and core. This is what you guys go through? How do you peel an apple? Is this an apple peeler or is this just a razor?
I'm so pissed off right now. My dad literally has this in the bag. He didn't tell me.
Oh, this is so easy. Now watch me somehow slice my arm off with this. Before anyone says you're wasting the peel, I'm gonna eat it after, okay? Because I fucking love green apples. And that's on peely, perfectly peeled at all, just so you know. Maybe I can give you guys some nice ASMR. These apples are going to brown by the time I'm done, because I have to core them still. Why do you have to peel it? What's the point? What do you hate about the fiber? Ooh, that was dangerously close to my finger. And I would like to keep those for a little bit longer, so starting to feel bad for the apples, watching their siblings, you know, get skinned alive. Like what? Why are you going here? Why is this flying everywhere? You want an arm workout? Do this. You want stress relief? Do this. I'm just picturing my professor's face. I'm kidding. I am totally kidding, guys. Alright, so after you kill 2 apples and their 6 children, you're gonna slice them down the middle, down the other middle, side, side. I don't really know how I should be slicing them. I don't have that machine that like does it for you. You know, I did say I love green apples, but I kind of have a love-hate relationship with them at the moment. I used to love them, and then when I got to college, I had one every day. I eventually almost started rejecting it from my body. But these ones are good. They're not like the, you know, the foamy ones. I don't know how to describe it. You know when it doesn't crunch, it just like sogs. That's disgusting. I already hate it. Why am I making an apple pie? I don't even like apples anymore. I still hate them. Do you see how many apples I have? How is that gonna fit on that stupid crust I made? I forgot to skin one. Okay, you get to survive. They haven't browned yet. I think that's very impressive of me. I don't know how. Usually when I brought them to elementary school, they brown the moment I put them in my lunchbox. Explain how that happens. Oh my God, I need to add 2 cups sugar, the lemon zest, cornstarch, lemon juice, coconut oil, salt, cinnamon. Toss until they're all coated. Now, before anyone gets on me this time, I measured this in a solid measuring cup and I put it into the liquid one. They were about the same. So stop telling me this is only for liquid. It's versatile. 2 cups, my whole bag. I said I wanted to lose weight. Wait. I don't trust this anymore. There's no way it's that much. 2 cups? I'm gonna put a little less, because that's a little bit insane for my body. I'm trying to diet. No, I'm not. Okay, you're gonna zest the lemon. This is the closest thing I have. Not today. Nope, that's barely doing anything. I don't know, my mom doesn't have a zester. We don't zest. There's no zesting in this household. This is something that I bought for my mom and she never ended up using. All right, that's the max. This is not gonna do anymore. Half of a lemon. Ooh, yeah. What a nice snack. I really like cinnamon, so I'm just gonna take the bigger end and... How much did you need? Oh, 3 teaspoons cinnamon. That's enough. I'm also gonna be original and put maple syrup in here because I feel like it'll look good. I don't see how it could turn wrong. I also asked for 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil, so I'm gonna put this in a small jar and warm it up in the microwave. Salt. 5 tablespoons cornstarch. Oh, look at her. She's melted. Gorgeous. Actually, I'm gonna moisturize my lips with this. And now we're gonna mix with a glove, because I know what it's like to get lemon juice all over your hands, and I don't like that feeling. Ooh, yeah. Yes. See that? Gorgeous. Oh, it smells decadent. I also feel like there's too much sugar. I really don't think you need 2 cups, and I put like 1.5 still. You're trying to make me fat? Think again. I feel like you can just eat this by itself and it'll be pretty good. Like, look at that. That's gross. Now I was about to put that on my hand. Okay, let's do some of this. I think we're done. Now I just have to bake it. Roll out the disc of dough to about 1 inch thick. Transfer to a pie dish and gently press on the side. All right, this is definitely chilled. Tell me how that is gonna fit in this little pan. I don't see how that's physically gonna work, but I'll trust you. I also don't see how that is gonna fit. Oh, never mind. I see it. I see it. I'm sorry I doubted you, but I wanted it to be like, I wanted the checker pattern. We're gonna get the checker pattern today, aren't I? Really need to roll this out because, oh my God, this takes forever. That's much better. I do have extra. I have a lot of extra actually. This is great. I can tear this off. This is my extra dough for the cross section. I'm actually gonna put this in the oven and have it preheat to 350 because they suggest you cook this a little bit in order for it to get crispy. And I don't want a soggy crust. Don't mind me, I'm just taking out the storage. I also don't believe in preheating. I think that's stupid. Tell me the science behind it. I don't think it should exist. Why can't I just place it in and have it heat up? Why do I gotta risk burning myself while putting it in and wasting all that heat? All right, so while I'm waiting, I'm going to figure out how to make this into checkers. Think you got 5 minutes before that preheats. Then I'm gonna roll it out and then slice it. So lay it flat and then just slice little strips like this. I think that looks good. Crosshatch, that's what you call it, right? I'm also going to baste it in some butter before it goes in the oven, you know, to get it golden. Just appreciate this moment. Okay, I only had enough to make 6. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna warm up the rest of this butter in order to baste it. This one is not loved properly. I need to fix it. Welcome back to my kitchen, y'all. Whoa, I did not think I had that inside of me. I'm reverting back. I've never basted anything, so I'm very excited today. Oh, what it feels to be a turkey being basted. Actually, I'd be dead. I smell burning. Hold on, what's going on back there? Okay, I don't know what's burning, but I don't like the smell. Oh, wow. I'm ready. Pour this in. Oh, that's not enough room. Oh, that's not enough room at all. Oh, are we kidding? There's not enough room for these apples. There's too many apples. There's too many apples. I physically cannot fit this all. No, I can't. No. I'm gonna save you for another batch. Okay, pause. It's preheated. I'm gonna put this on. Oh, wow. god, it's cute. I'm gonna baste it now. Is this like putting a face mask on a pie? Like, you're about to be beautiful and in my stomach. There's a lot of extras, so no one said I was supposed to be healthy. Who said you need to be healthy during quarantine? Guys, oh my god, she's kind of cute though. Okay, back in the oven for an hour. An hour? Why not 30 minutes? Once again, tell me why I can't just turn it up to 700 and do it for 30 minutes. Isn't that basic math? I know there's probably a really good reason why, but I just want to know. Alright, I'll see you in 1 hour while I eat dinner, because it's currently 10 p.m. and I haven't eaten anything all day. I don't know what to do with this.
Look at her.
So I didn't eat it the day I made it because I wanted it to cool down, and it was like midnight by the time I finished. But look who's already taken a bite out of it. They are shady, but I'm gonna take a bite now. It's actually pretty good. The dough isn't chewy, but it could be flakier. If I have extra apples, I'm gonna see if I can perfect it. I think this tastes great.